Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Finally, after a long waiting period, finally I got from TVS. Yes, finally I got the helmet and I'll be unboxing it. The TVS helmet, finally. Let's unwrap it. There it is. The RTX 300 helmet, red, which is dot certified. Good. It's nice. Yeah. Oh, and there's a ventilation on the top. But I just need to wanna know that is it gonna leak inside if it rains? Yeah, they could have given somewhere under instead on the top because it's gonna directly fall and it might enter inside. Is there any other way for this? I don't know. I need to check it out once. Yep. The cushions are very good. Yep. Decent for its way. Except for the top one, they're a little bit thin padding. It's not that much. Let's see. I'll just wear it and see. Yep, it's loose. It's not that tight. I don't know why. I don't know, is it TVS gonna give this a default size? They could have done any other way of, like, my suggestion would be like in the times of booking they could have given a place for the helmet size. It would be best and be better also, because this is L, but even though it feels a little bit loose. Okay for this, and that's it. Nope, there's one more surprise. The welcome kit also. Finally. Let's unbox it. Yeah, it's like this. We get a keychain. We got a logo also. Wow, it's better. Yeah. What else we get? We get a big kerchief. Yep, that's done. And what else? We get a mug. And that's all. We have unboxed the helmet and the welcome kit. Hope you liked it. I'll see you in another video very soon. See you. If you like this video, like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.